Hello everyone. This is Vetri Sairam from Welltech Multitech Dr. Rangarajan Dr. Saguntala Engineering College. And my batchmates are Jagadish R and Vignesh K, and we are guided by Dr. A. Karthikeyan. We have successfully completed project on highly sensitive pin accessibility for ATM using human body communication. In this abstract, I will tell you about the overview of our project. At first, the motivation which led us to do this project is National Payment Council of India. It is reported that 1.3 crore loss of various banks due to ATM security breach. To overcome that, we have developed this project with use of Red Tecton technology. The main objective of our project is to increase the security in transaction and to prevent attack like card scamming, card cloning, and shoulder surfing. In existing system, they have face detection based security system in which they use embedded Linux, which is used for face detection for less human interaction, and they have iris recognition and fingerprint for authentication for ATM. In iris recognition type, it can reliably identify a person uniquely by analyzing the pattern found in iris. And in fingerprint based system, it uses biometric because fingerprint do not change in whole life. The disadvantages of the existing system is it requires high processing time and it has less accuracy level and it does not suitable for all environment. In proposed system, the transaction in ATM are made to minimize the processing time for detection and recognition process. To minimize the processing time, we are using a new technology called Red Tecton, which has both transmitter and receiver where the data is transferred through human body. User need to keep their fingerprint to access the ATM. User holds the transmitter module where the user password is stored. When the user touches the ATM, the receiver automatically receives the password from the user. When there is a change of position of ATM during any theft, we can easily detect by using MEMS sensor and it closes the shutter automatically and intimates by giving the buzzer sound. Advantages of the proposed system. The security is very high and it takes less processing time. Instant theft detection and door locking mechanism. Let us see the block diagram. It consists of red tacton transmitter and receiver. The transmitter consists of very low voltage. So we are using drivers and buffer to send and receive the signals to electromagnetic switch. The electromagnetic switch checks the received signal with predefined code. If the signal does not matches the valid code, it indicates that invalid user through buzzer. If the code and the signal is valid, it goes to the further option which is predefined like change password, etc. These are the components used in our model. Let us see about the Arduino. Arduino software contains test editor for writing code, a message area and a text console, a toolbar with buttons for a common functions. It connects to Arduino hardware to upload the program and communicate with them. IoT, Internet of Things. IoT describes the network with the physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software and other technologies for purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other systems or devices over the internet. Red Tecton. Red Tecton works under the principle of HORN technology, which is human area networking, which uses surface of the human body as a medium. It emits minute electric field on surface of the human body. The transmission path is created when the user comes contact with red tacton receiver that sends data at the speed of 10 Mbps. System safety. However, Red Tecton uses human body surface to transmit signal using minute electric field. It is completely safe using this device. It causes electron in our body to move, which creates a minute displacement current, which is similar to those are occurring in our everyday life. This is the top view of the working model of the hardware. In this picture, we can see that authentication is done and displayed here. In this, we can see that the messages are sent to the user at every transaction. It shows that whether the authenticated person is using or not. Red Tecton can be used in many applications such as user verification and unlocking with just a touch, and instantaneous private network via personal handshake, which is sharing business profiles between mobile terminal ends of the user, so it can be kept private using authentication and encryption. Now let us see the working model of the project.